Hi, everybody. Welcome to Boston, a city with almost 400 years of history. He's Ray Ferraro. I'm James Cebulski for EA Sports. Should be an intriguing one tonight, Racer. It's a little east side versus west side.
Yeah, they don't happen very often anymore the way the schedules are, so you get to see players from the other conference. Some of the best players will come in and play, and it becomes like a real extra special event.
Just moments away from puck drop, both teams seem ready to go. The Avs take possession here on the opening draw, and we are underway. Takes a shot, gets a piece of it to keep it out. Boston's got a hold of it along the wall. Quick pass across to Pasternak. The Bruins take it along the wall. Here he is, scores! Another pasta serving from David Pasternak.
He doesn't waste any time getting this puck off his stick. The snapshot beats the goaltender from the high slot.
The Bruins are back at center ice, and with it, a 1-0 lead.
You'd like to start quickly. This is about as perfectly as you can. At home, crowd behind you, and an early lead.
Quick pass to Bergeron. Puts it on net. Nowhere for that shot to go through. Rantanen swooping in on the attack. Scrum along the boards. It's a fancy footwork to kick it over to his teammate. Feeds the puck to Pasternak. Lets it go, and there's the save. Goaltender covers it up. We get a whistle to slow things down. Inching closer to the midway mark of the period, the Bruins lead it 1-0. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. The Avalanche have the puck in their own end. Rantanen's going to play it against the half wall. Moves it quickly over to Makar. And it's a quick pass to McKinnon. Picked off by Krejci. The Bruins move it in. Puts it on net. Glove save. Francouz elects for the breather and goes for the whistle.
I like this play, James. He's seen enough chaos in front of him. Rantanen's able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
And we're moments away from getting back underway here with the puck drop. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Moves the puck. The Avs take it across the line. And that's blocked. Puck grab by Smith. Through the neutral zone, up along the wing. Takes a shot. Good look. Not a good result, though.
Now, they can't cash in if they can't get it on the net. Really good play to set up the chance, but nothing for it.
Past the midway mark of the frame, Boston's up 1-0. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Boston's got the puck against the boards. From one point man to another. Francouz has it and freezes the play. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Things starting to get a little physical out there. Oh, makes the save! That was a rocket!
The Chuskin's made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
The Bruins win the face-off. And the intensity's starting to ramp up here after that hit. Quick feed to Carlo. Tremendous glove save by Francouz.
Gresslick's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
Coyle's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Moves it to Foligno. Hammers the shot. Big time glove save. Both teams readying here for the face-off. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. And now he moves it quickly to Taves. Trying to engage a little physicality here. Slides the puck to Lindholm. Up along the wing. Takes the shot. Oh, gets a blocker on it to turn it away. Colorado's got the puck in their own end. Dumps it into the O-zone. Boston's got the puck along the wall. The Bruins take it across the blue line. Here's an opportunity. Too much congestion blocks the shot. Glove save.
But he came out and challenged him. Good save. Hey, we get a look on the highlight here. That's a really nice blocker stop, but what a scoring chance. In good position, just beaten by the goalie.
In the final moments of this period, the Bruins have taken a 1-0 lead. Lindholm's got it in the offensive zone. And he's going after him here. Francouz gets on top of the puck, stopping the play.
Now you can get some fresh guys on the ice, get yourself restarted. Rantanen's done everything here except pull the other guy's gloves off. Hey, James, we got to get another look at that. He's pretty rattled here. Looks like he took a pretty big hit.
McKinnon's known to burn defenders with his ankle breaker zone ability. Bergeron's good at takeaways, guys. That's his yoink zone ability, and that's how he can transition to offense. Those are two players I know I'm going to be keeping an eye on.
He scores!
A finish late in the period seems to carry over into the next period more often than not. What a great time to score. Get to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there and he puts it away.
He got possession from that puck battle and was able to go on and score there. That's his no-contest superstar ability, and that tenacity makes him such an effective player.
And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Here's a shot. He scores! This is like the hockey equivalent of a buzzer beater, eh?
Yeah, it didn't look like there was going to be enough time. The puck's in the net, and now they feel really good about themselves going into the next period. Good luck stopping him. Once he gets that edge, he's going to drive it to the net. Now everybody's in panic mode. Try to get a stick on the puck. They don't get there in time, and it ends up in the net.
What a play by him to set up that goal, guys. His superstar ability was on full display, and he skates away with the assist.
Well, there's the end of the first period of play, and man, what a one-sided affair we've seen thus far. As both teams get a breather, so will we. We'll take a quick pause for the cause. All right, I think my partner in crime, Ray Ferraro, is rested and refreshed, along with the teams. We're ready to get things underway. A one-sided affair after the first 20 minutes. Here we go for period number 2. Well, we've got over 20 minutes played thus far. Ray, how have you seen things?
The Bruins comfortably in front after an aggressive, productive first period. They have this game in their hands.
There's a hit on the play. Puck picked up by Bergeron. Oh, he'll feel that one. Sends it quickly to Rantanen. Sends it deep inside the offensive zone. The Bruins have it now. Bergeron's got it into offensive territory. And that one's broken up. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. And no luck on that pass attempt. They go on the attack from the left side. Sends it over. Oh, pokes it away. Gutsy move, but it pays off.
Francouz is just one of the team picture tonight. There's not anybody across the board that can look in the mirror and say they've done a good job. Hits like that are becoming more and more rare as the game gets faster and faster. But that is a big hit.
More than half the period left to play. The Bruins are in cruise control, leading it 3-0. Krejci's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Battle along the boards. Boston's got a hold of the puck now. And a nice takeaway in the defensive end by Manson. Oh, this has turned into demolition derby night after that collision. Through the middle of the ice, they enter the attacking zone. Off target. And serves up a little knock on the play. The Bruins gain possession. Takes the pass. And now he angles it across to Nichushkin. The Avs gain possession. He scores!
They had to get themselves an opportunity somehow, but down 3 is not it. They're down by a couple now, and they can now press to see if they can make it a strike closer.
The comeback is on.
You make so many decisions that happen so quickly. Every once in a while, you get one wrong. That's an example of a bad decision.
The Avalanche have got back to the face-off circle and probably feeling a little bit better now.
Well, for much of the game, James, they've been out to lunch, but now at least they're back within 2. You can start believing again.
Foligno's got it along the wing. Takes that pass back at the point. And that shot gets caught in traffic. Sends it out right in front. And that pass is redirected. Puck scooped up by O'Connor. With possession along the wall. Lifts the stick and takes the puck. The Bruins have it from their own end. And they won't connect on that one. Sends the pass over. Tries to the crease.
Whoa.
They score! A Bruins goal!
A quick flick of the wrist, and that snapshot beats the goaltender. He's in the low slot. He doesn't have much time to think about it.
The Bruins are almost making their opponents beg for the end of this second period, Ray.
I'll tell you what those 2 locker rooms are going to be like, James. I've been in both of them. The one that's way ahead, it is a giggle fest. Everyone's having a good time. The other one, you can hear a pin drop from anywhere in that room.
I'll take the giggles. Slides that one right across the blue line. And he makes the save on that play. Moves right to the middle. And they can't finish that one.
Oh, he's going to be kicking himself for that. The play was there. He just doesn't execute that last pass for the scoring opportunity.
Oh, how did he get a piece of that?
Good technique as the puck is over to the corner out of the way.
Oh, and a misfire as that goes right out of the zone. And things starting to ramp up a little bit now on the ice with that play. Taken by Frederick. Takes the feed in the back end. Well, the ice has sure looked tilted after 40 minutes of play as the second period comes to an end.
During the game, please remember to be alert at all times in our seating area. Even with safety measures, there are moments when a costume for foul is in the spectating area, but of course, do not injury. So please stay alert at all times when the game is.
What's in store for the third period? Let's tune in to find out just moments away. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Third period action ready to go. 20 minutes to go here in regulation in what has been a very one-sided affair. Ray Ferraro is back down at ice level. Ray, 40 minutes played so far. What's been your assessment of this tilt?
Boston's focus now is just lock down this game. Comfortable lead. They've been terrific through 40 minutes. Don't give it away now.
Hammers a shot, and he stands tall in goal. Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. The Bruins are giving their fans a lot to cheer about tonight as they lead at 4-1. Here's a short pass to Rantanen. Boston's got it behind the net. The Bruins move to the offensive zone. Here comes the pushback.
Landeskog's looking around for somebody to fight. He's going to have to go and fill the dance card somewhere else.
Both teams lining up for the face-off, and it's a chance to see if there's actually some power in this power play.
First chance of the night for the power play. The guys are pretty excited to get out there and see if they can get on the board.
Gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And there's the whistle, giving him a chance to exhale. Just moments away from the resumption of this power play. They're ready to drop the puck here for this face-off. The Avs win it in the defensive zone. Colorado's got a hold of the puck and tries to make a diagonal pass to Cogliano. Lets it go. Oh, what a block. He'll get a pat on the back from the coach when he gets off, if he can get off. And that doesn't go well. And reads the play perfectly and picks off the pass. Boston's gained possession along the boards. Here they come. Snaps it on net. Shut down by the blocker. Cuts into the paint. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
Quick reflexes and good positioning to make a couple of stops in a row.
And now he moves it to Cogliano and puts the body into it, a little bumper car hockey.
Even though they don't get one on the power play here, they still have a comfortable lead. The one thing you don't want to do is give up a short-handed goal. Maybe that sparks the other team a little bit.
Lets the wrister fly, and the puck takes a funky bounce out of play on the heels of that save. Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. Boston's got a little more jump in their step tonight. They lead at 4-1. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Picked up along the boards by Landeskog. And now he tries to get it across to Rantanen. Takes the feed. The Avs played along the boards. Knocked away. Lindholm's taking it from his own end. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Francouz hangs on to the puck to stop the play. Carl's got the answer as to who had the better night.
Bergeron's a great player when he gets engaged, and he has been that tonight with the offensive side of his game. I've been impressed with his performance.
Hammers a shot. What a save by Francouz. Boston's got possession of the puck. He scores! I believe a colleague of ours likes to call those back-to-back.
Yeah, the coaches want you to stay aggressive after you score. They do that, and they're able to put another one up on the board. Man, the goalie's going to look at his teammates and say, is anybody going to cover the high slot? He was so open, he was able to hammer home the one-timer.
The Bruins haven't missed much tonight, Ray.
No, they'd have to play really poorly to screw up this now. They have played outstanding hockey.
And now it's grabbed by Makar. On the attack along the boards. What a stop as he puts out the fire. Through center along the wing. Oh, look at this chance. Oh, there's a great stop by Francouz. Wrist shot from the slot. Oh, wow, stops again. Look out. And that's taken away.
Whoa!
They score! That's 3 in a row.
This is turning into an onslaught. There seems to be no way to slow them down. The one-timer grabs your eye for the goal here, but he's got to get into position to get open to unleash this cannon.
The Bruins are on absolute cruise control here in the third.
Well, they've built such a large margin, you can use your whole bench and coast it in.
McKinnon's won the draw. Boston's got the puck. Quick pass to Smith. Through the open ice, they're picking up steam. Scores! Wow, this is unbelievable.
4 straight goals. They dominated this play. He didn't have much room up over the glove, but as soon as the goalie dropped into the butterfly, there was enough for him to put it into the top bin.
Colorado's going to switch things up between the pipes.
I would say there's some relief here. He's been ventilated tonight. Now he gets to go take a break.
Boston's added to their lead here in this third period. It's been non-stop.
I like how they've scored and then gone after the next one, James. They've had their foot down on the gas pedal the whole night.
Moves it quickly over to Saka. The Avalanche have possession now. Along the half wall with the puck. Grabbed along the boards by Landeskog. The Bruins are in transition. Quick shot. Sweeps it away. Smart heads-up play using the stick on that one. Maintains possession. Moves it to McKinnon. Takes it to the net. Boston's got control of it now from their own end. Works it across to McCarr. Fails to find the open man. Here's a shot. Grabs him with the glove. Tries to get the puck over to Smith. Streaking into the attacking zone from the right. With the stop. Puck grabbed by Taves. Right up the gut into the attacking zone. Lets it go. And that's denied by Ullmark. Picked up along the wall by McAvoy. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. Right side set up ahead into the middle of the ice. That's turned away with the pad by Ullmark. And the whistle essentially delays the inevitable here.
Yeah, nobody's very happy, James, in a blowout game with another whistle. Start and stop. Everybody wants to go home. Ullmark's at the back of this man advantage break against, but he reads the play really well. Gets out, moves across the net to make the stop.
The centerman glide into position. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone.
Now you got a chance to make something against a tired team.
Takes a shot. Oh, what a stop by Georgiev. And that'll close the book on this one as the final horn sounds. Really hard to find holes in this performance tonight after a dominating effort.
It really is. I don't know if there's many games I can think of recently where a team has played as well start to finish as they did. That was an easy streak coming down the stretch.
You know, when they first started doing this, it seemed a little hokey. I can't imagine it without it now.
Yeah, I'm with you. I thought it was strange when they started. Now, if they didn't do it, I would think they're not getting it right.
For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us tonight.